Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is to inform you that the NPC, the National Population Commission, has started sending out invitation messages to those who are approved as supervisors and enumerators. We can see the NPC training update today, 7th April 2023. Training invitations to approved enumerators and supervisors. The National Population Commission has commenced sending of training invitations to approved enumerators and supervisors for the local government level training scheduled to begin on the 11th of April 2023. The content of the text message and email sent to the applicant confirmed that certainly the first phase of the NPC adhoc staff training will be held from 11th to 17th of April 2023. The training invitation also contained the venue of the enumerators and supervisors of each of the participants. What this write-up is all about is that NPC have started sending out messages to those who their NPC application is approved. You will see a message inviting you for the training. It will state the date, your venue, and time. And you are also to come along with your ID card. What you see in my screen here is a sample or is samples of messages sent. You also receive an email too. They send both SMS and email in case the SMS is not delivered. So checking your emails, if you apply and your application is approved, be checking your emails so that you will receive the messages when it is sent. In case your SMS is not delivered, you can receive an email. So if you are new to my channel, I'm urging you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If your own is showing pending and you want it to be approved, kindly use the comment section and we will tell you how to get approved quickly. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.